splits and the choices which has been made in the model choices. So here the in the model splits, there is the various stages are there. So model split is been done after the two steps. So what is that two steps is, one is the after first one is the database. Okay, so database is been first it has been collected. So this database one is the networks, first one in the database. So that is the networks and data and the zones will be taken into consideration. So second one, that is the base year data. Okay, base year data is be taken in the database. The third one is the future future planning data. Okay, so future, the what is the number of the population in each zone, so what is the number increasing the growth rate. uh, so that increasing the with the growth rate, what is the demand which is been creating in the each year. So that demand, uh, what is the rate of the demand. So that database which has been collected, that is the first step. Next is the what is the after this database. So after this database, next step is the trip trip generation and the trip distributions. So these are the second steps. So in this, after the first two steps, that is the database and the trip distribution and the trip generations. So next, the very third step is the model split. Okay, so third step is model split. So this model split, now I'm going to explain about this model split. So whatever the model split, that has been the third stage of the travel demand modeling. So in this travel demand modeling, so models will be split, that where the trip matrix I already explained. So here there is an origin and their destinations. Some the various origin, the how the destination from zone 1, zone I to zone J, where there is n number of origin and n number of distribution, how the matrix will be carried away, like this, how it will go. That matrix whatever I explained. So consider this is first zone to nth zone, like this, second origin to nth destination, like that, mth destination. So like that, the whatever the matrix, so origin destination matrix, that is obtained from the trip distributions. So that is being sliced into a number of matrices. So that has been representing the each mode. So first, very first, the significance and the factors which is affecting this mode, mode, the choice, the problem will be that will be discussed. Then later the in the discussion, so the classification of this mode of the choice, so that has to be made. And here the two types of the mode are the choices. So in this, the model splits. So models will be choices will be made, and the models will be discussed in detail in a binary mode choice or the multi-nominal modes. So these two choices has been made on this discussion. So here the some of the we'll go through some of the mode of the choices in the model splits. So I told there is a two types of the mode of the choices, which is been more the different types of the models, where the two types of the mode, one is I told binary mode, another is the multi-nominal mode. So these are the two types of the choices has to be made in these discussions. So in this, what are the in this taking the decision on this binary mode or the multinomial mode? So the what are the factors which is influencing this choices of the mode, that has to also be considered, and the different types of the model splits, so that has to be also be considered in this discussions. So next, we will see about the what are the mode of the choices. So in the transportation mode, the probability one has to important for the models of the transportation planning, so that we will going to see in the mode of the choices.